machine. 1. A washing machine is a home appliance used to wash dirty clothes. 2. It works on electricity. 3. It contains a big drum into which the clothes are placed. 4. The washing machine is connected to a tap. 5. The machine fills with water, and then the drum spins. 6. The detergent, either in the form of liquid or powder, is put into the machine. 7. Washing machines clean clothes in 3 steps. 8. They are washing, rinsing, and spinning. 9. After washing, the machine drains the dirty water. 10. By using a washing machine, we can quickly clean our clothes.